If you want to code on Windows 11, you need a proper code editor. Not Notepad, not Word, you need Visual Studio Code. Today I'll show you how to set up Visual Studio Code the right way in under 5 minutes so you can start coding immediately. Let's set up your developer machine. Visual Studio Code is a free code editor made by Microsoft. It supports dozens of programming languages, highlights your code to make it easier to read, and includes features like autocomplete, error detection, and Git integration. Unlike basic text editors like Notepad, VS Code is designed for developers. It is a highly customizable environment for building apps, websites, scripts, and more. Extensions can add new languages, themes, and tools. First, we want to check if Visual Studio Code is already installed. So to do that, we go to the command prompt. So either hit the Windows key on your keyboard or hit the Start menu, type CMD and press Enter, and that will bring up the command prompt. So now to check if code is installed, we type CODE space -- version. It says that it is not recognized, which means it is either not installed or not configured correctly. It would show us a version number if it was configured correctly. Okay, now we need to download the installer for Visual Studio Code. So open up a web browser. I'm going to open Google Chrome and the URL is code.visualstudio.com. Let's go there. Click download for Windows and there we go. Save it to the downloads folder so we can remember later for the next step where we're going to run it. Now we want to install Visual Studio Code, so let's find it. I'm going to go into File Explorer. I'm going to go to my downloads folder where I downloaded it, and I'm going to double click on it. Accept the agreement. You can read it if you want. That's your choice. I personally am just going to sign my soul and my firstborn child away to Microsoft. The default installation location is okay. You can create a desktop icon if you want. Add open with code to your context menus. Particularly important is add to path, which requires a shell restart because that is what lets you access Visual Studio Code from the command line, which you're going to want to do, so make sure that's ticked. Click install to continue with the installation. The installation process will start. This may take some time. Okay, once you've finished, this launch Visual Studio Code button is ticked, so checkbox, sorry. So we click finish and Visual Studio Code will open. So now you can, it's letting me sign in. So you can sign in with GitHub or Gmail or Apple or whatever GHE is, GitHub Enterprise, or continue without signing in. And now we have Visual Studio Code, so we can open files here in the file menu, or we can press X to close out. Okay, so now we want to validate that Visual Studio was actually installed correctly. So we go back to the command prompt. I shut mine. And we type code -- version again, and if we get a version number, which we do, then everything's all installed. And that's how to install Visual Studio Code. So yeah, if you learned anything, feel free to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down in the comment section if you have any feedback or questions, and I hope to see you in the next video.